Hello everyone, and today we're playing Camping 2 because it had an update. So it has a secret ending. So last time, you know what happened to me when I was in Camping 2. I got jump scared and horrified. And made the bugs. Why am I filled with? Oh, okay, this is the only menu. We the men. Yeah, we 3 trees are the men. Yes. Alright. I know how to get the thing on. No, don't you dare spoil it. Yes, you ... Take that, idiot. How to be an idiot? Okay, here we go on an adventure to Terra Park. I wonder if they updated any of the looks or something. Welcome to Terra Park. I'm Park Rachel Denver. I'll be serving you as you. I don't care. The freaking Gatorade's over there. I want it. This is a campsite where half of you will be sleeping tonight. It's gonna be a blast! Yaaas! Okay, go and check out the... Already. Go. Go! Yes! I got the Gatorade, boys. What the frick? Well, have to admit. Okay, these are the tiniest beds I've ever seen. I'll show you where the bathroom is. Okay. Alright, where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? Epic bathroom. I like this. Epic bathroom. I'm gonna be right next to Daniel. See what happens. Ew, it smells in here. Well, frick you, sir. You were the one who was. Oh no. Okay, that was Heartsease. Where's Daniel? Why am I being stabbed and drowned in the sink? Whoa, sorry guys. We must be having some electrical problems. Don't worry about anything, folks. We'll have it fixed up shortly. Alright, who did it flush? Sorry. Rage power. Okay, let's see this one. There's nothing else in that river. Super speed. Oh, okay. My friend Noah has texted me. Oi, Noah.
You're never on this early in the morning, I swear.
Oh, come on, bro. I woke up at like 7 o'clock. I'm playing camping and recording. You're in video, bro. Okay. I'm recording and playing camping at the same time because they got a new update in camping too. Oh, frick, I'm in the ugly side.
Oh.
Okay, let me just hop in the fire. Yeet!
Wait, is your voice recording?
Okay, I'm recording right now, bro. Alright, I'm getting ready. Ready. He's not there. Where are you, punk?
I'm totally not playing Farming 2. Or no, Farmer Friends.
Sit there drinking like it's nothing! Ah! Sip that drink and go faster! Yay! Peace, kids!
Really, Paul, use your magic beans. They're OP.
I don't have any.
Don't say like they're OP.
You're talking about Farm Simulator while I'm playing camping. Okay. Okay, what was everything?
Paul, OP.
Oh, frick you! He's
Got,
dead now.
What, 3,000 coins by
What? Holy fridge! That
What?
scared me. Oh. He was right at the window. Wait.
Freaking summer. I hate summer.
He was right at the window. Wait. I might be doing a part 2 of this. He said he had to use the bathroom. He should be back soon. Yeah, Daniel, come back, idiot. I know it's not him because of last time and how he freaking jump scared me. I literally screamed and I didn't even care. Oh, hi, Daniel. Oh!
But
I'm taking a picture. Oh, man. She's outside. Oh, my gosh.
did you do, Paul?
No, Daniel opened the door and she got trampled on by him. Hold on, let me pull up the file. I'm pulling up the file. File. Where's my freaking pictures? There it is. Click. I have a lot of pictures.
Yay.
I'm showing you a picture.
Alright.
What? Alright, there we go. Daniel seems to be taking all of this very lightly. Yes. No, look at the picture. Who's excited to go hiking today? Not me! I'm gonna slap this Gatorade bottle in your face. Like a milk bottle. Okay, I'll give you a little to resurrect. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh, frick you. How did you do that? Good luck. Frick. I won! Super Gatorade power.
Oh, the gifting.
How it feels to 2-5 go. She had a head start, but I'm beating her. Yes! Parkour master!
You go, Paul.
Suckers! Yeah, give me that marshmallow boy.
Hey, Paul, you know Simon James McEwen?
No, I don't know.
He's that one gymnastics.
Bro, oh my goodness, everyone died on the hiking. Alright, okay. It's a lot more like in here.
Dude, I literally have a strategy.
I love this.
Throw my carrot seeds
Look at my booty.
everywhere.
Look at it.
Throw my carrots everywhere.
I love this.
And they're already
Wait, do you have
grown.
shift lock? Oh my goodness, I forgot. Okay, let's do this. Night is approaching. Shut up. Okay, the hole. Okay, I want to go to the bathroom. Daniel, this has your strange vibes all over it, but it's not yours. Okay, so I'm gonna make a part 2. So yeah.